Hello, I'm Professor Karen Stanton, Solent's Vice-Chancellor. With Results Day coming up and clearing about to start, I just wanted to wish you luck, whether you get the grades you want or find yourself looking for alternatives. You've got a fantastic career ahead of you and I wish you the very best. If you do find yourself looking to enter clearing, for whatever reason, the first and most important thing is please don't panic. It's more and more common these days for students to find their place through the clearing process. So keep calm, keep an open mind, and you'll be able to find your place on a course at a university which really suits you. And we hope that's Solent. Whatever subject you're interested in, we've got plenty to offer. In the heart of Southampton, our city centre campus gives you access to everything the South Coast's biggest city has to offer, including shopping, culture, sport and career opportunities. We're a dynamic student community, proud of our diversity. We put our students first and are welcoming to all, with plenty of support for those who need it. We know it's been a challenging couple of years for students, but we're doing everything we can to provide a safe and welcoming environment, alongside the highest quality learning for you. Our teaching is innovative, flexible and engaging, and highly focused on making sure you get the skills and experience that employers are looking for. We work closely with professionals and organisations in every industry, and first-rate work experience is embedded in every course. You'll also have access to state-of-the-art facilities, from the huge range of professional-grade filming and camera equipment available through our media store, to dedicated spaces for fashion and styling, maritime simulation suites, and much more. Our state-of-the-art sports complex offers sport and physical activity facilities for all, whatever course you're on, as well as tailor-made teaching spaces for sport-focused students. I hope I've given you something to think about. So if you have any questions about clearing or joining Solent, please visit our website to find out more or to talk to someone. The details of how to contact us are now on the screen. And finally, good luck to everyone. I wish you all the best for your future.